Alright, language explorers, let's look at some Shakespeare ASMR. So look in thy glass, and tell the face thou viewest, now is the time that face should form another, whose fresh repair is now thou not renewest. Thou dost beguile the world, unbless some mother, for which she is so fair whose unearned womb disdained the tillage of thy husbandry? Or who is she, or who is he so fond will be the tomb of this self-love to stop prosperity? Thou art thy mother's glass, and she in thee calls back the lovely April of her prime. So doth through windows of thine age shall see, despite the wrinkles, this thine golden time. But if thou live, remember not to be die single, and thine image dies with thee. When to the sessions of sweet silent thought I summon up remembrance of things past, I sigh the lack of many a tite of sort, and with old woes new wail my dear time's waste, that I can drown an eye unused to flow, for precious friend hid in the death's dateless night, and we weep afresh love's long since cancelled woe, and moan the expense of many a vanished sight. Then I can grieve at grievances forgone, and heavily from woe to woe tell o'er the sad account of foremoaned moan, which I now play as if not paid before. But if the while I think of thee, dear friend, all losses are restored, and sorrows end. When in the chronicle of wasted time I see descriptions of the fairest wights, and beauty make beautiful old rhyme, in praise of ladies dead and lovely knights, then in the blazon of sweets, beauty's best, of hand, of foot, of lip, of eye, of brow, I see the antique pen would have been expressed, even such a beauty as your master now. So all their praises are but prophecies of this our time, all of your prefiguring, and all for they looked but with divining eyes. They had not skilled enough your wart to sing, for we which now behold these present days have eyes to wonder, but lack tongues to praise.